few weeks back, Samsung revealed how Galaxy AI can boost your productivity. Now, they're highlighting the fun side of AI, showing off ways to enhance your vacation photos and videos. Galaxy AI is available on various high-end Galaxy phones, especially the Galaxy Z Fold 6 and Z Flip 6. Ever wished a video could be in slow motion? With the instant slow-mo feature in Samsung Gallery, you can turn any video into a slow-mo clip using AI frame rate conversion. Just play your video, tap and hold for a preview, and voila, your clip is ready to share. Want to remix your portraits? Use Portrait Studio. Choose from styles like comic book, character, 3D cartoon, watercolor, or sketch, all with just a few taps. Prefer modifying existing images? Check out Sketch to Image, which lets you create new images from sketches or enhance parts of photos using different styles. Interested? Try these features now. Samsung might start charging for some Galaxy AI features in 2025. Plus, One UI 7 will bring even more AI updates, though it's facing some delays. Don't miss out.